are gonna be soldering some wires. So I can show you guys how to solder. Give me one.
W Beats on the track.
So we already started splicing the wires. Just gotta match the colors since this one was hidden and cut open. Our next color to go is the other yellow. You know, there's two yellows, as you can notice. One is yellow, just yellow, and one is yellow with white, and this one's yellow with white right here. I don't know if you can see that. This one is yellow and white. Just gotta kind of like twist these wires so you get a nice connection, and then we're gonna do that for the rest of those. So we are back at it. All right, we're back. So now what we're gonna do is solder them. They're already connected. Let me lower this shade because this is fucking hot. It's not, people think that we're closed, but it's hot shade. So like I was saying, we're back out to the wiring process. This shit's hot, I'm pretty sure. Let's see how hot it is. Oh yeah, that's hot. If you guys see that I'm doing something wrong, let me know, because I really don't solder. But I think it's pretty much what I'm doing here. See how that, it's actually sitting pretty nice. Let me touch it up more. That actually touched them pretty nice right there. That one looks pretty. I don't know if I need to dap a little bit more, but don't mind if I do. Alright, we're gonna hit this yellow one next. There you go, that is pretty. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know, because I really freaking don't know. But I do think it's right. This shit right here is in the way though. So what's next? Let's dap a little bit more just in case. That's nice. See if I can melt it. That's nice, dude. I think I'm doing pretty decent. And if I'm doing this wrong, again, comment below. Let me finish the rest, and we're gonna do some wrapping. See, so this is all of them right now. I think they look pretty good. And a little fat here, but hey man, this is my first time soldering. I think I did a pretty good job. Let your boy know. And let's get some tape jobs going on here. Alright, so I found the tape. Let's get started on the tape job. I think it's not sharp as I used to. I don't know if I can bend this without breaking it. Should have made sure I was able to bend it, huh? There you go. Fuck it. As long as it tapes up, we're Gucci. I think that's the saying, right? My first tape, and let me get back to you when I'm done with the rest. We already finished the wiring harness. See if you can see which one's the one I fixed. I don't even know which one's the one I fixed. Oh, this is the one I fixed right here. Fixed that one, and then on this side we remade the plug because we couldn't find the plug anywhere, so I had to go get some aftermarket plugs and remake the plug.